Hello, today we will guide you through how to download code from Lovable AI without GitHub. In this walkthrough, we'll go step by step through the simple process of accessing a project in Lovable and downloading its code directly without needing to connect or use GitHub. This is helpful if you want a quick local copy of your project files, or if you prefer to manage the code manually on your own device. To begin, open Lovable and go to the Home or Dashboard area. This is the main landing page where your projects and workspace options are displayed. If you're already signed in, you should arrive here automatically. Take a moment to make sure the page has fully loaded so you can clearly see the available project sections. Once you're on the dashboard, select Sample Projects. This section gives you access to example projects that you can open and explore. If you're following along for practice, this is a good place to start because it lets you test the download process in a safe and straightforward way. Click into the sample project you want to use so that it opens in the project view. After the project opens, look toward the top of the screen for the code icon, shown as angle brackets. This button takes you into the code view or code editor for the project. Click that icon to switch from the general project interface into the area where the project files can be accessed more directly. If the page changes and you begin seeing a code-focused layout, that means you are in the right place. From there, move to the top right area of the screen and find the download option. Click Download to save the project code to your computer. Depending on your browser and system settings, the file may begin downloading immediately, or you may be asked where you want to save it. If prompted, choose a location that's easy to remember, such as your desktop or a dedicated project folder. Once the download is complete, you can open the save file on your computer and continue working with the code locally. If the project downloads as a compressed file, make sure to extract it before opening it in your preferred code editor. Keeping the project organized in its own folder can also make future updates and edits much easier. And that's all it takes to download code from Lovable AI without GitHub. Thanks for following along, and we hope this guide made the process clear and easy to complete.